Started sneezing as soon as Tesla started going down. Fucking Illuminati confirmed. Oh shit, now they know which stock it is.
I mean, you never trade any other stock, so...
Bro, I trade lots of stocks. I trade Palantir more than I trade Tesla. It's just Tesla makes and loses me more money overall.
So I gotta go super light on this, right?
What do you mean?
Like, because there can't be any joints across each pad.
Yeah, I have no idea how the fuck it works. I can't do small little solders like this.
Do you want to? Can you zoom in more?
Yep.
So that my head doesn't get in the way, because I'm gonna have to.
Pretty sure it will, anyways.
Thanks.
Where's Gondo when you need him? In Brazil. Simon, any favorite desk mat other than Greg? Yeah, Bambi. I want a version of the Bambi desk mat with my face on it. And if it doesn't happen, I will die unfulfilled. We need a Bambi desk mat, but on the face of the Bambi is a Simon face. And it has to be like super low res. I can fix the focus. Hold on. Can you remove your hands from there for a second? I'm just gonna manually focus. Oh, boom. MF. That is the wrong thing. That is the right thing. All right, we're good. And you started touching before I said that. Okay. All right. What about Sam Mat? I don't know what the Sam Mat is.
That's so good.
I saw this really beautiful desk mat with a rock on it, and it just said rock next to the rock. It was very artistic.
Do you know why it's artistic?
Yes.
The author is in Sandland also.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Juan's desk mat, isn't it? Bro, it's pretty lit.
I think he got banned for posting that.
I'm pretty sure he got banned because of his affiliation to me. Just like everybody else that got banned unfairly from the fucking Nazi server.
Oh no, but you're making a joke. You don't expect backlash? This is what happens.
What?
Fuck off. No, that was the response that I got.
There is no response. You banned people from your server that didn't break rules. So your server is a joke. You literally just proved that with your own actions. We need a desk mat with a desk mat on a desk mat on it. I'm way ahead of you, buddy. Don't you fucking worry. It'll come, as long as you believe. Where do people go to make desk mats made? China. You can literally go on Taobao and literally pay $10 to have like a custom printed desk mat in the design of your choice.
Oh, I got this.
I need all 5 keys. We're going to solder all 5 keys. I need to type a very important 4-letter word and then press enter afterwards. You guys can probably guess what it is. It's my most used word that isn't like and, it's, a, and I. And am.
Hot, hot, hot. I wonder what that word is. No? Good.
Let chat keep guessing. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you don't know. It's fine.
Bonk.
What?
Bonk.
No.
I know.
Why are you trying to send people to horny jail?
Exactly.
What is the average desk mat size? 900 by 400 with 4mm thickness.
Yes, and then you have idiots charging $20 for 3mm desk mat.
Oh, bro, you have idiots charging like 25 to 30 for 3mm desk mats.
Sunday group buy review.
I love Sunday group buy reviews. It's my favorite thing in the world.
I fucking
one day
love
you guys are gonna
knobs.
like. One day Paul is gonna come into my house and find me like hanging. with my dick out of my pants.
Yeah, and then I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to stream for him. You can
Have fun losing money. Actually, you could probably make money. You can just sell out. It's easy. Just say yes to every fucking opportunity.
become Big Show.
Yeah, it's easy, dude. Look at everybody else. Thank you, Uncool Dude, for the 7 months. What this do? We'll find out. Have you checked PCB before soldering? We literally can't even check the PCB because there's no controller on it. And once the controller is on it, we still can't check it because we don't have the goddamn firmware because Kate is asleep.
I know it's not in focus. Relax.
I'm not saying words.
You were about to.
No, I was thinking them, but I didn't say them.
I can't be like this.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting.
Like I usually am.
Is you're gonna get your head into frame, even if I zoom into just like this square centimeter, you're somehow gonna get your head in there.
I've got a massive 5 head, okay?
There's a QMK hex for it? Okay. Then we possibly can test it, but we're gonna build it anyways. Because if it doesn't work, what's the alternative? It's 5 switches anyways. $18 if it's a single unit of custom printing, yes. Wait, did you solder the whole thing?
Yeah.
You're a god! Bro, slow down, you gotta milk it. Streaming 101.
What did I mentioned this? Like, he's gonna be like, no, milk it, bro.
You gotta milk it. You gotta milk it. People can't like, how are they gonna watch a stream when the streamer builds a keyboard in 20 minutes flat and then fucks off?
Oh, sorry. Okay. Sorry, I've yet to learn to be a good streamer.
Yeah, come on, dude.
I couldn't do that at home because my solder's too thick. It would have overflowed instantly.
Oh yeah, God bless 0.5.
I literally have a millimeter thick.
Yeah, 0.5.
It makes boards super fast though.
My boards are super fast.
Yeah, but you gotta go.
Yeah.
I just have to like tap it. That's nice.
Yeah.
You need to hold this on one side. Otherwise...
Remember who you're asking. My hands are not steady, bro.
Just like that. Just hold it. I just want one joint. Thank you. Okay, like that. Okay. Good.
F, stop telling Paul how to be a keyboard man. He knows.
I literally just... God damn it, F.
I love to backseat. Oh baby, I've got a backseat for you. It's so good. Alright, am I fucked? Sorry. Am I more fucked? I am equally fucked. I'll take it. Fuck.
That looks kind of straight.
Yeah, I guess so.
Don't use my...
Yeah, get fucked, Gilbert. Implying Razor Greens are not real switches. Razor Greens are the realest fucking switches ever.
Not great, not terrible.
Why are Chernobyl memes coming back?
I don't know, unless you're reminding me of them, so... Chernobyl's such a good show. Like, it's fantastic. Energy. Am I milking it enough yet?
You're doing fine.
See? That's big brain.
That is relatively big brain. But now it's slightly out of focus. No, it's not. It's fine. Hope you can't tell. And around the same time they discussed the memes, YouTube recommendations showed up for me. Yeah, because Discord sells your personal data to everyone.
It's going public soon, right?
God, I hope not. I hope it gets...
bought by Microsoft.
Fuck, they're both equally bad.
It's worth $10 billion, dude.
Yeah, it's worth like $3. Discord is such dog shit.
It's pretty much better than... I mean, Microsoft Teams.
Low bar.
Slack. Slack's alright.
Going to get custom order rock mats for me and you, so I'm in fucking Pog, bro. Pog.
He's the real Sandland vendor.
Scary.
Hmm?
It's okay. It's scary to me because I have shaky hands.
I do this at home a lot.
Mm-hmm. How many desk mats have you burned?
0.
Alright, that's one less than me.
Including Greg. You defiled Greg.
Listen, I was aiming for my hand.